Welcome back to the channel. In an age where digital systems underpin almost every operation, cybersecurity has become a critical concern across all industries. But in pharmaceutical manufacturing, the stakes are uniquely high. Protecting sensitive data, invaluable intellectual property, and the critical infrastructure that produces life-saving medicines is paramount. In this video, we're addressing the growing threat of cybersecurity risks within pharmaceutical manufacturing operations. We'll discuss the specific dangers posed by cyber threats to this vital sector and provide insights into effective solutions and best practices for protecting against these threats and ensuring regulatory compliance. The pharmaceutical industry is a prime target for cyber attacks. The sheer volume of highly sensitive data, including patient information, clinical trial results, and proprietary manufacturing processes, makes it incredibly attractive to cybercriminals and state-sponsored actors. Breaches of this data can have devastating consequences, from privacy violations to the theft of groundbreaking research. Beyond data, the intellectual property held by pharmaceutical companies, the formulas, the research, the manufacturing know-how, is immensely valuable. Cyber threats like espionage can compromise this IP, undermining years of investment and innovation. Crucially, cyber attacks can also target the critical infrastructure of manufacturing plants themselves. Disrupting production lines, tampering with manufacturing parameters, or disabling equipment through ransomware or other attacks can halt the supply of essential medicines, posing a direct threat to public health and safety. Given this landscape, robust cybersecurity measures are not just good practice. They are essential for operational integrity and regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies worldwide are increasingly focusing on cybersecurity requirements for pharmaceutical companies. So what are the effective solutions and best practices for protecting against these threats? It starts with comprehensive risk assessments. Regularly identifying potential vulnerabilities in your systems, networks, and processes is the foundation of a strong defense. Understanding where you are most exposed allows you to prioritize your security efforts. Implementing strong access controls is vital. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to critical systems and sensitive data. Use multi-factor authentication and the principle of least privilege, granting users only the minimum access necessary for their role. Employee training is one of your strongest defenses. Human error is often a factor in successful cyber attacks. Regular training on recognizing phishing attempts, safe browsing habits, and internal security protocols is crucial for creating a security-aware culture. Developing a clear incident response plan is also essential. Knowing exactly what steps to take in the event of a cyber attack can minimize damage and recovery time. This plan should be tested and updated regularly. Furthermore, leveraging technology like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption, and regular security patching are fundamental technical controls. Implementing network segmentation can also help contain the impact of a breach. Finally, staying ahead of regulatory compliance is non-negotiable. Adhering to standards like those set by the FDA, EMA, and others ensures you meet legal requirements and implement recognized security frameworks. Given the increasing reliance on digital systems and the high value of information within the pharmaceutical sector, robust cybersecurity measures are not just a technical challenge, but a paramount business and public health imperative. Protecting critical data and infrastructure requires a multi-layered approach combining technology, processes, and people. What do you see as the biggest cybersecurity threat in manufacturing today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this discussion on cybersecurity in Pharma valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the intersection of technology and critical industries. Thanks for watching.